Okay, so I'm doing the test right now. So basically, instead of using a Blu-ray player, I just use my computer HDMI port as an output for video source. So basically what I did was this computer right here, so there's a cable coming in that went back to the, let me see, let me move this up. So that cable it went into the input of the receiver. I used a game input because that has a switch in the front. I didn't have to use a remote. And here's the output of the HDMI port. It's a pretty large cable, so follow that cable. Kind of like that. It turns around one more time, my bad. And it goes to the back of the TV, the monitor input. So that's what you're seeing right here on this screen. What's coming from the, so it's, the signal is going through the receiver in, and then it's going out to the receiver. So there is display right here. So so the display part is working. And then speakers, as you can see, the same way I connected it last time, right? The speakers are connected just like that. So I'm gonna put the volume up a little bit so you can see. So I think the mistake was like you're making it. See how it says PCM DIG? That stands for digital input. So it says HDMI. So when I was plugging in, so if I take this out, okay, so let me take this out from the game. I guess that's what you want to see. Put it in Blu-ray. And like you're saying, I'm not getting anything on the TV right now. That's, oh, it's actually in game. Let me turn it to Blu-ray. Okay, so that will be bleedy, right? See how it says analog right there? That's why it's not getting it. You gotta switch that to digital. To do that, I think you have to use a remote to turn that into digital. Let me see if I can do. Let me put this video on pause. If you turn that back into digital, the video should be fine. So let me see if I can do that right now. Hold on. I'm trying to change that to a digital format rather than analog. So I'm already getting some sort of signal on this screen. So let me see if I need to adjust something here. I'll definitely have to adjust something on the screen to turn it into a digital output. Let me do that and then I'll show you. Okay, so I think I finally set it up. Now it's going through the Blu-ray input. I had to set it because I think the previous user set it in a different way. See how it's in it's going through now the Blu-ray. That's what you want, right? BD. And the screen out. So it's actually starting to see some video now. Before it was just a blank screen. So I'm just going to select connect with an HDMI cable, that option right there. Next. Okay, it didn't work. Hold on. Let me fix it first. Hold on. So the previous user had it set up that a port set up for a component video. So with the remote, I was able to change it to HDMI, not the component cable. You can actually select the option for that. When you're using the BD input, you can set it up to where whether you want to use the component, which is right here, or you can select the HDMI. The reason why you didn't have the video or the sound, because perhaps the previous user had selected the BD to be analog. See, now it's changed. It's DIG. Says it's on DIG. So now it's changed to. So that means it's working perfect now. So that was the reason that switch was turned off, and you had to reprogram it. Okay, so cool. So that's actually good news, right? All right, cool. I am going to send you this video, and I'm gonna box it up and resend it to you. Okay, so I'm sure you're clear about what happened, and probably each port may probably have to manually set up in the very beginning. You have to take it out from analog to digital. Okay, so all right, cool. I'll send you the email in this video link. Okay, all right, cool.